Yeah, 5, 6, 6 shooters too. She tryna run me down, masseuse. Yeah, it was just me and Deuce. Stand so tall like I'm on the roof. Yeah, geeked up, I'm in the booth. Grew the magician, he go poof. Yeah, she giving nothing but net, no tooth. Yeah, nothing but net like Swish. I'm a real rock star, just.
YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Redeye, and I'm back with another video, man. As you can tell from the title and the thumbnail, bro, today is a very crazy day, bro. Not gonna lie. So, for all my new subscribers, if y'all don't know, I'm from North Carolina. We live in North Carolina right now currently, bro. And we don't get no snow like that, bro. I ain't gonna fake. We don't get no snow at all, bro. But, like, we just got hit with a fucking blizzard, bro. Can't tell you no lie, can't tell you no joke. We got hit with a blizzard, bro. It's hella snow out here right now. And as you can tell, I got my Jones zipped up all the way. It's cold too, bro. It's cold as hell. Like, look, bro. It's 36 degrees, bro. We in that big SRT motherfucker, you feel me, bro? I'm really making the intro because, like, bro, we had way more snow, like, the first day, like, when it was really first coming down. And, like, I ain't gonna lie, like, the little kid in me did not pick the camera up, but I did get some 360 footage for y'all, bro. So if y'all want to see Jazz playing in the snow, man, like a true Snowmobile SRT motherfucker, bro, you know what I'm saying? That's what you came here for today, man. We act like Santa in a sleigh, you feel me? We really cutting up. Bro, is it snowing again? I know I'm not tripping. It's like a couple days later right now, bro, and it's like, we were supposed to get snow yesterday. It didn't do nothing, bro. Like snow, sleet, or like ice, rain type deal, but like it didn't do any of that, bro. But like now, it don't say it's supposed to snow today at all, gang, and I'm seeing like flakes, and it's no wind. Like, you would think, all right, maybe it's the wind coming off of the trees, but like, bro, the snow been fell off the trees, gang. So like, I know I'm not tripping. But like, anyways, bro. But yeah, we finna just hop in traffic right quick, bro. And yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoyed the video, bro. I'm not gonna lie, it was hella snow. Y'all gonna see. Like, comment, subscribe if you new. Roll to 10K. Let's jump straight into it, bro.
A few moments later. A few moments later.
Alright, YouTube, I hope you enjoyed today's video, bro. Me having fun in the snow, bro, with Jazz, you feel me? Getting bendy with Jazz in the snow, you know what I'm saying? Look, bro, if you're new to my channel, make sure you drop a like, comment, subscribe. Like I said, we're on the road to 10K subscribers, bro. And I told y'all, bro, it's been like, from right now, currently in my time, it's currently like a whole week after it snowed. A whole week. As you can see, bro, the snow did her so dirty. But I don't know, y'all can tell like right there she dusty. But like, yeah, bro, the snow did her so foul, gang. I can't even see when I back up. That's how bad that shit is. Like, gotta get some of that salt off this bit on the back of the camera. Yeah, bro. Look, the diffuser don't even look carbon no more, gang. She still got a carbon snatch to it. But yeah, bro. Like I said, it's been like a whole week. As you can see, it's still snow like out here. It's still hella snow out here. But yeah, bro. I know y'all probably wanted to walk around, bro. She's still in great condition. Still in great condition. We've been taking good care of her, bro. We've been taking great care of her. I'm gonna go ahead and get this right here for like the thumbnail. It's probably gonna be like the thumbnail right here. Yeah, I like that in. But yeah, man, y'all want more videos with Jazz? Y'all make sure y'all drop a like, comment, subscribe on the video, man. And bro, y'all need to get this vid to at least 20 likes, bro, so we can cut the mid mufflers, bro. Cause I ain't gonna lie, I'm not tired of the quiet sound, bro. But like, if y'all really want to hear something when I bring y'all the 360 footage, bro, we gotta cut the mids. So yeah, bro, like, comment, subscribe on the video. It's your boy Redeye, man, and I'm signing out. No cap.
It's cold, keep your heat on. Yeah, you get beat on, and all we can't ping on. Yeah, this my theme song, blow up as a team. I don't sing songs, I just pick my team. Yeah, I feel just like King.
Okay, bye.